Let's learn about the life cycle of a chicken with a cute story. Once upon a time, in a cozy little farm, there was a hen named Penny and a rooster named Charles. They were the best of friends and they had lots of fun together. One day, Penny decided it was time to start a family. She laid a clutch of eggs and made a nest. Penny sat on her eggs for about 21 days, kept them warm, turned them, and sometimes gave nasty looks and pecked to anyone who disturbed her. That's when the embryos grew inside the eggs. One sunny morning, the eggs began to crack, and out popped little chicks, peeping and fluffing their tiny feathers. Penny and Charles were so proud of their hatchlings. The chicks grew quickly, following Penny and Charles everywhere. They pecked and scratched the ground, finding tasty seeds and bugs, and they learned to flap their wings. A few weeks later, they weren't little chicks anymore, but pullets and cockerels. Time flew by, and the pullets and cockerels grew into hens and roosters, and they began to understand their roles in the farmyard. The hens, like Penny, found cozy spots to lay eggs. The roosters, like Charles, took turns watching over the farm. And so the cycle continued, with the hens now having their own little chicks to care for. And that, my little friends, is the life cycle of a chicken from a tiny egg to a mummy hen.